What if computers couldn't understand what you wanted? A computer doesn't naturally know what "check the weather" means. It needs precise instructions, step by step. Programming is the abstraction that lets humans communicate those instructions to machines. And that foundation leads to everything from software and data to modern AI. If you're starting from zero, this is day one. Next, what actually happens when you run code?